Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are watching this channel for the first time and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. By this, you can receive notifications whenever I upload videos. So in this video, I'm going to share about how I got more replies in my campaign. Even I'm using AI tools to write cold emails. So let's dive into this video. So let's see why your AI cold email sounds like spam and how I fixed mine in 5 minutes. So have you ever sent cold emails using tools, AI tools like ChatGPT and got no replies? That is what happened to me. Why AI email sounds like spam? Most AI cold email sounds like robots. They say stuffs like, "Hi John, I hope this message find you well." That's boring. It sounds fake. People skip it, and spam filters hate it too. So the body emails looks like, "Hi John, I help companies like yours sales faster with AI solutions. Let's connect." So there is no any relevant and personalization by the way. There is only a pitchy and sexy words. So it's so boring and there's no emotions. That's why there is no reply. So just optimize these three steps that I'm going to share in this video. It will make you got more replies in your cold email, even you using AI tools to write your cold emails. So step number one is change in the subject line. Don't say like AI tools that saves time. So do this instead. Quick idea to help business name grow. So I'll just show you a three example subject lines and how that works. So subject line 1, quick idea for their company name. So why it works? It feels personal and casual. You're not trying to sell. So you're just sharing helpful idea that makes people curious without feeling any pressure. So example like quick idea for Elevation X. So when we go to subject line 2, like saw your post had a thought. So why it works, this sounds like something like a friend would say and it shows you have done little research. You saw their post and all. So when we go to subject line 3, so quick question about their role and topic. So why it works, people love answering questions and when you use their job titles or niche, it feels relevant and respectful. So example when we can see quick question about your outbound strategy. So this is their topic or role they are following in their niche. Make subject lines like these three things. It will make you help got more replies. So step two is make it personal, not creepy. What it means, don't say fake things like I loved your website if you didn't actually look at it. Instead, mention something real, something only human would know. Think of it like this, bad personalization sounds like a robot. Google them. So good personalization sounds like friend who actually follows them. So how the bad examples looks like, saw your profile, was impressed, came across your company, looks great, loved your website. These feel creepy, copy pasted and lazy. So most people ignore them. So how the good examples looks like feel real and specific. It's it's based on the LinkedIn post. Like, hey Sarah, I saw your LinkedIn post about struggling to hire SDRs. I went through the same thing last month. Happy to share what worked for us. So why it works? You show you actually read something she posted. Now it's feel like a real conversation, right? So second, you can go with their podcast or blog. Like, hey Jason, listen to your podcast on cold emails while walking my dog. Episode 17 was great. I actually tried the two-line follow-up idea and got three replies this week. So why it works? You mentioned exactly what you have listened to. It shows effort, right? So you can go with their product and tool too. Like, hey Asha, noticed you built a tool for e-com founders. Smart move, adding one-click Shopify sync. I work with few DTC brands. Had a small idea that might help. So why it works? You are not just saying nice product. You mention a real feature that they built. That's rare. When we go to the fourth type, like based on their comment they made somewhere. Like, hey Rahul, I saw your comment on Justin Wells' post about AI in sales. Love about timing is more than volume. Got me thinking, mind if I share a little experiment we did? So why it works, you're referencing a public comment, super specific, and no AI tools is gonna pull that out. Finally, the step 3 is keep it short and easy to read. Make your cold email under 3 to 4 line maximum. You are texting to your friend. So nobody likes reading a big block of text, especially busy people. Your email should feel like a quick message from a friend, not a long essay. So take a rule like if it looks like a blog post, it's too long, right? How the bad examples looks like, hey John, I hope you're good. I hope you are doing well. I'm reaching out because I came across your company and thought there might be opportunity to work together. We are an AI-powered lead generation platform that helps companies like yours book more sales calls and close deals faster. I'd like to show you a quick demo and talk about how we can help. So this looks like it came from a robot, right? No one read this. How the good emails and short emails looks like. Hey John, saw your post on B2B growth. Really solid stuff. I had one teeny idea that got us 5 extra demos last week. Want me to send it over? Why it works? 4 lines, casual tone, and no hard sell. When we go to example 2, like, hi Sarah, noticed you're hiring for RevOps role. Just built a simple AI system for a client doing the same. Saved time 6 plus hours a week. Would it help if I shared the template? So straight to the point and value offers. So that's why we got replies. So when we go to example 3, minimalized style. Like, here, like, quick idea that might help you write outbound reply. Can I send it? Just 2 lines, but it creates curiosity. So you can use this for follow up, like second follow up, if they are not respond to the first email. When we go to example 4, hi Priya, loved your podcast episode on teams productivity. Built a simple Notion system that maps one-on-one goals. Happy to share if it's helpful. So friendly, no pressure, useful. So this type of short and real cold emails would work to get more replies. So finally, you can add a soft ending. You should add a soft ending. So let people say no. Don't be so pushy. Example like no pressure if it's not a fit. So if it's not a right time, just thought it might help. Like the way it shows you respect their time. So that's it. Fix your subject line, talk like a human, keep it short. And most important, stop letting AI sound like robot. Hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. By the way, you'll receive more notifications about the GTM strategies, AI workflows, and tools we used for our code email campaign. Thank you. See you next video.